Hydrating Cleanser is my favorite product to use in the mornings. I use this without fail, morning and night, because it just feels incredible. I created this simply because I wanted a really gentle, hydrating and cold cleanse during those really hot summer months. But actually I use this all year round. So this is called a Hydrating Cleanser Refreshing Facial Gelée, because we're fancy like that. And it has an incredible texture. So it's got this bouncy, stringy texture, and that comes from all the incredible humectants in there. It's got really high levels of glycerin, it's got multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid in there, and then it smells of gorgeous cucamelon, which is like a cross between a cucumber and a watermelon, and it has loads and loads of aloe vera juice in there. And the best part about this cleanser is that this is clinically proven to triple, yes, you heard it right, triple your skin's hydration immediately after using. And that's why I love using this. So in comparison to using just water on your face, this will make your skin 3 times more hydrated every single time you wash your face with it. This cleanser is for everybody, especially if you have dehydrated skin. Now, the way I like to use it is just a little pump on your hands, massage it all over your face, and then rinse it off with very, very cold water to really refresh and cleanse your skin. It's my cannot live without morning and night every single day.